Welcome. Let's open 1000 Windows in the Windows 10 operating system. I am using a computer with low specs. The specs are an Intel Core i3 processor, 12 gigs of RAM and a standard 240 GB SSD. Here we are going to open 1000 windows of the Wordpad app and we will see how much time it is taking in my computer. I am going to do so with the help of this batch file I have created. I will drop the link on the description so that you can download and do the same, but do that at your own risk because it can make your computer unresponsive and you have to restart the computer to bring it to the responsive mode. Okay, now I am opening the batch file and the creation of the windows has started. Now I am speeding up because it will take so much time to do so. You can keep a look at my processor and the amount of RAM it is consuming. So after 46 minutes and 53 seconds, I got this error. So I think my system is not capable of creating 1000 windows or it has already created, but it ran for nearly 47 minutes. Now I will try to close all the apps. But I am unable to close the apps because it is unresponsive and restart is the only solution. You can download the file in the description to do the same experiment but at your own risk. Okay, that's all for this video. We are going to do such fun experiments in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video. Consider subscribing to the channel and comment down your thoughts.